I'll give you guys a walk around of the car. It's currently started up after 2 or 3 minutes, white smoke. So we're trying to remedy that right now. But the body's straight. The body's clean, pretty unmodified, molested. I'll probably have to cut that. I don't know.
That's an actual term. That doesn't need to be cut out.
Okay, we're good. We're good. I'm not scared, man. I'm scared of saying things nowadays. So, clean, no dents. I mean, it's a 26-year-old car, right? So it's gonna have its problems. Just kind of comes with the territory. So. Whew. As you can see, interiors got some tears in the seat, but other than that, got some oil pressure, some boost gauges, an aftermarket, what is that, Kenwood JVC stereo. But other than that, interior is clean. Everything fires up, all the lights work. We just got to figure out why the fuck it's smoking. Hell yeah.
Or Hellcat swap it.
Or just drop a fucking... so we bought this Scat Pack. And we're actually going to be pulling the engine out of it. And we're going to... So it's a Dodge. This was a Dodge Chrysler product at one point. So we're just going to put the Scat Pack 392 in here.
Hell yeah.
And it is the all-wheel drive. It has a limited slip differential. We're going to be pulling all that out. We're going to do rear-wheel drive. Fuck it. Drift Eclipse.
So what we're going to do is DSM motor in the Scat. Time to get this.
It'll be a 4-cylinder Scat Pack.
And then, yeah, if it gets repossessed, it gets repossessed.
We'll be like, why is it leaking oil all the time?
Oh. It's a 26-year-old car.
Yeah, it's a 26-year-old wide body.
In a 2-year-old car.
Wide body Charger. So we got a couple. I won't show your license plate. Oh, I can show that license plate.
Yeah.
We got a couple thickums. Got a couple thick boys here.